So firstly we are going to discuss the question that I have given you yesterday for test, and most of the students were not able to do the manager commission. Okay, so we will do that question first, and after that one query is come for the fixed capital of the question, that LMN. 11th question is there I think in your book, then you have to take out that, then I will solve that question also. Okay, so first we will going to do the question number 92 I think in your book. I don't know that PQR, that is the question which I gave you yesterday. So here were the problems of manager commission. So first of all, draw the profit and loss appropriation, because you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation in this question. Important thing that you have to see, that in this question the profit distribution is given. Profit earned in any year will be distributed as up to 1,80,000 equally to the partners. At X is over 1,80,000, that 1/3 to P, 1/6 to Q, and 1/2 to R. Okay. The next one is allow interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum and charge interest on drawing at the rate of 8% per annum. Okay, so calculate first interest on capital. First you have to calculate the interest on capital. So 2 interest on capital. P's capital, Q's capital, and R's capital. Firstly calculate that. Capital is given 6 lakh. 4,50,000 and 3,50,000, and the rate of interest is 6% per annum. 6 by 100 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 100. Come on, fast, calculate and tell me what is the interest on capital. वेरी सिंपल बेटा, क्यों टाइम लग रहा है? 36,000, yes, 27,000 and 21,000. Okay. Now we have interest on capital. After that it is given that charge interest on drawing at the rate of 8% per annum. Okay. How much profit is given in the question? Yes. Okay. After that we have to calculate the drawings, interest on drawings. So by interest on drawings. For drawings it is written that P withdraw regularly 5,000 at the beginning of every month, Q withdraw regularly 7,500 at the end of every month, and R withdraw 70,000 during the year. So now what you have to calculate according to the patterns. So P's drawing will become 60,000 because 5,000 is given. So 5,000 into 12, that will 60,000. 60,000 into rate of interest 8/100 is given. After that, how much we have to calculate, because he always regularly in the beginning of every month. So 6.5 upon 12. Now Q's interest on drawing, that will be 7,500 at the end of every month. So 7,500 into 12, that will become 90,000. So 90,000 into 8 upon 100 into 5.5 upon 12. Now R's interest on drawing, that R withdraw 70,000 during the year. So 70,000 into 8 by 100 into 6 by 12. Now calculate fast and tell me what is the interest on drawing. Yes, 2,600, 3,300 and 2,800. Okay. Yes. Now what we have to say, P is entitled to get a salary of 4,000 per month together with a commission of 5%. P is entitled to get a salary of 4,000 per month. 4,000 per month means 48,000 yearly. Okay. So to salary, P's salary is given 48,000. And what about Q's salary? Q is entitled to get a salary 5,000 per month. So 5,000 into 12, that is 60,000. Okay, 60,000. This much we have understood. Now we come to the next point, that is together with a commission of 5% on net profit remaining. Please mute your mic, everyone. Q is entitled to get a salary. Q is entitled to get a salary of 5,000 per month together with a commission of 5% on net profit remaining after considering salary, interest and all commission. What is written in P and what is written in Q? You have to think it. P is entitled to get a salary of 4,000 per month. Okay. Together with a commission of 5% on net profit remaining after considering salary and interest, but before charging commission. Okay. Before charging commission, but after considering salary and interest. Okay. So what do you have to now? What do you have to calculate? 4,96,310 plus these all three. Add this and deduct these both. Do fast. 4,96,310 plus 26, 3,300 and 2,800. That will become 8,700. That 8,700 we have to add with this, and after that minus 84,000 and minus 1,08,000. After deducting, what we will get? 3,13,000 and 3,13,010. Right? Yes. This we have got. Now we have to calculate the commission of P, because here it is written after considering interest on capital and salary, but before charging commission. Right? So before charging, what we have to do, the commission rate is given 5%. So before charging, what we have to do, 5 by 100. So now calculate this, that we will get 15,650. 15,650. This is commission of P. Please make your workings clearly. This is commission of P. Commission of P we have calculated because it is given that it is before charging, so we have done 5 by 100. And see, in your next question, means next point, in when you are doing the Q's commission, when you will do the Q's commission, for Q's commission it is written that you have to consider it after charging, after considering the salary, interest and all the commissions. Okay, so this is after charging commission, so you will add 5 in 100, that 5 upon 105 हो जाएगा इसमें. Have you done? Okay. Now write commission. 2 piece commission. कितना आया था? How much it is? 15,650. 15,650. इसके बाद now what we have to do? Again we have to less this also. Okay, 4,96,310 plus 8,700 minus 84,000 minus 1,08,000 and minus 15,650. This also we have to deduct it. So हमारा आया था 3,13,010. Okay, we will minus this 15,650 also. Okay, so we will get, how much we will get? 2,97,360. Okay, now on this amount we have to calculate the commission of Q. So into 5 upon 105. Now calculate it and tell me what is the Q's commission. This will come 14,160. 14,160. Okay. Now what you have to do? Now you have to take out the balance. Have you done this? May I rub it? Okay. Now you have to take out the profit. Take out the profit first. $199. This you got. Okay. Okay. 199 or either I think in round figure it will come 200. Okay. Now in your question what is given? In your question it is given that up to 1,80,000. What you have to do? You have to give them equally. Okay. So draw this table. Up to 1,80,000, you have to give them equally. So from this 20 lakh to 2,83,199, 1,80,000 you have to distribute them equally. Okay, so how much will come? 60, 60, 60. P, Q, R. 60,000, 60,000 and 60,000. This we have distributed to R. After that, we will deduct 1,80,000 from this amount, and now we will get 1,03,103 this. Okay, and this what we have to do? This we will distribute as per the ratio is given. That I think 1/6 we have to give. Yes. 1/3 we have to give it to P, 1/6 Q and 1/2 to R. So distribute this 1 upon 13 upon 106 and upon 102. And after distribution write it here. That will come 34,200, sorry 34,400 and 17,200 and 51,600. Now add this and distribute here. Here I think 199 है. Whatever. 200 or here, round figure. Both are correct. Okay. Now you have to distribute here. Okay. So 2 profit transferred to capital account, to P's capital, Q's capital and Z's capital. It will come 94,400, 77,199 and 1,11,600. Okay. Have you understood this much? Hopefully you have understood well. I don't think there should be any confusion in this question right now.